Namaste people. Welcome back to our channel. Light of the Hope. In this video we are going to learn about respiration from class 10th biology life processes lesson. First we are going to see about what is respiration. Respiration is a metabolic process that occurs in all organisms. It is a biochemical process that occurs within the cells of organisms. In this process, the energy, ATP adenosine triphosphate, is produced by the breakdown of glucose, which is further used by cells to perform various functions. Types of respiration. There are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. Let us see what is aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. 1. Takes place in presence of oxygen. 2. Occurs in mitochondria. 3. End products are CO2 and H2O. 4. More amount of energy is released. Anaerobic respiration takes place in presence of oxygen. Occurs in cytoplasm. End products are alcohol and lactic acid. Less amount of oxygen is released. Now let us learn about the breakdown of glucose by various pathways. Breakdown of glucose 6-carbon molecule into 3-carbon molecule called pyruvate takes place in the cytoplasm. Pyruvate may be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide, which takes place in yeast during fermentation. Since the processes takes place in the absence of air, it is called anaerobic respiration. Pyruvate is broken down in the presence of oxygen to give 3 molecules of carbon dioxide and water. This process takes place in mitochondria. Pyruvate is converted into lactic acid when there is a lack of oxygen in our muscle cell, which is also a 3-carbon molecule. During heart racing or exercise, the oxygen supply may not be enough for the needs of the muscle cells. Exchange of gases takes place through specialized organs of respiratory system. Human respiratory system: air enters into our nose and the process starts. 1. Nostrils. It is the opening through which air passes through our nostrils into the nasal cavity. 2. Nasal cavity. It is lined with hairs and mucus. It warms, moisturizes and filters air before it reaches the lungs. 3. Phrynx. It is the common passage for both air and food. It connects the mouth and windpipe. 4. Trachea. It is also called as windpipe. It runs from pharynx to thoracic cavity. It contains C-shaped incomplete rings, cartilage, bronchi. Trachea is divided into bronchi. Each bronchi enters into a lung. Bronchioles. Bronchi in a lung is again divided into bronchioles. Alveoli. Bronchioles end up with a balloon-like structure called alveoli. Alveoli is surrounded by blood capillaries. Lungs. One pair of lungs, soft and sponge-like. These are the main organs for breathing. It contains bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli. Practice the diagram of human respiratory system. Process of breathing. Breathing mechanism of lungs controlled by diaphragm and intercostal muscles. When diaphragm moves down, the lungs expand and air is inhaled. When diaphragm moves up, the lungs contract and air is exhaled. Respiration in plants. CO2 is liberated by plants when photosynthesis not taking place. CO2 is absorbed by plants during processes of photosynthesis. So, during nighttime photosynthesis stops due to absence of sunlight, and respiration keeps happening. CO2 is liberated into atmosphere. Gaseous exchange. Respiration can occur in 3 parts of a plant. From leaf, through stomata, stem, lenticels in stem, root, through root hair. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.